You've probably heard all about the new DALL-E 3 upgrade, and whilst you can't open it directly through OpenAI or ChatGPT just yet, there is a little loophole that you can use in order to start utilizing this upgraded AI image generator. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access DALL-E 3, and I'm going to show you a few practical use cases for it. And whilst we do that, I'll also show you how you can find prompt inspiration to really come up with amazing image generations. Hello, my name is Martijn Glander from Brainy Automations, and if you're looking for a way to automate your business tasks, head over to brainyautomations.com, where I teach how you can automate content creation at scale, like automating blog post creation or even automating how to respond to emails. And I do this through micro-based training, meaning you don't need to spend hours learning something. Within 20 minutes of watching the course, you'll be able to implement exactly what you're trying to do. So we're going to want to start things off by heading over to Google and searching for Bing. We'll then click the first link, and now we're inside Microsoft Bing's browser. If you click on the chat icon, this will launch Bing's AI Copilot for the web. You can actually do everything you can do inside ChatGPT, but more. This is where we can start creating images. So for example, we will simply type in our prompt for the sort of image that we create. So in this case, it's a cartoon dog riding a bike wearing a top hat. Now, it is a little slow, and it will start off by trying to find images from other websites, but then ultimately it will start creating the image. And within 30 seconds, we now have these 4 images which were powered by DALL-E. We open them up, see the high quality, and because it's got a better understanding of semantic, the final outputs are much higher quality than in the previous versions. Okay, so now we know how to find and access this upgraded AI image tool, but how do we actually utilize this for everyday practical use? Let's say you're a business or you're a startup and you want to create a new logo. You can say something on the lines of, use the top 5 sports logo to create a logo for a shoe brand called Runner. And obviously you won't need to put in sports. If you're an accountant, you can say top accountancy logos, etc. Search for the top 5 sports logo and start creating something in the inspiration of these logos. So it's found the 5 top logos for us, and just like that, we now have different logos. However, the text still isn't perfect, but it's actually getting pretty close. Let's say you want to create a cake. You can say, create a image about instructions for baking a cake. So first it writes out the instructions for general making a cake, and the more specific you get with your prompt, the better this will be. And then it starts generating an image based off this information. And then right here it's sharing a whole list of ingredients and equipment that you should be using. It's done it in numerous different styles, but overall, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's some practical ideas on what you can do with the new DALL-E image generator. But what if you're not very good with prompting? In other words, what if you just don't know how to communicate what you have in your head directly into DALL-E 3? Well, I would recommend heading over to other AI image generator tools like ideogram.ai, for example. And here you'll see a list of tons and tons of other designs that people have been creating. For example, this one here. So if we wanted something similar to this, we would look at how they formatted it, which is sticker design name, teacher Rosemary, with white background and school supplies and flowers in classroom rainbow tone, vibrant photo illustration 3D render. So then we can take that prompt, head over to Bing, paste it in. We can then replace the text with text that we want. So let's say subscribe. Instead of saying school supplies, we can say mini robot, and then we can say matrix numbers. Then we can do enter, and now it's generated the images. We open them up and it's actually getting some of the text right. Not every time, but that's pretty cool. You can see we've kind of got the matrix behind us, we've got the robot and then little robots around it, and it's in the shape of a sticker. I must emphasize that in order to get good quality design, whilst it is getting easier, you do need to put in as much detail in the prompts as possible to get the desired effect. I'm more than capable of producing amazing results, whether that's for a coloring book or a normal book, for web design, for social media posts, for blog posts, for newsletters. Basically anything you can think of, it can do, but you just need to be detailed with your prompt. And you can do that by using other AI generating tools that show the prompts of other users and use them as inspiration. Watch how they format things, the words that they use. Let me know your thoughts about DALL-E 3 in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.